kitchen. Honey was cooking, working so hard. Gonna go out the back door, gonna go out. Pet my dog. Sat down in my old rocker, lit that old smoky cigar, commenced to rock me and pet my dog. Well, that's about when I got to thinking, why is life so painful and hard? Well, I kept on rocking, and pet my dog. Let's do some rocking. Hey, Dakota, how's it coming? Are you poking out? My niece over here is having child. Dakota, raise your hand so everybody can see who the pregnant woman is. Oh, I love it, don't you? I walked back into that old kitchen, grabbed my honey and gave her a hug deep and hard. Snatched up a rib bone and I fed it to my dog. So I'll go back out to my old rocker, thinking I will light my cigar and do some more rocking, and pet my dog. Let's do some rocking. I sat down in that old rocker, lit that stinky cigar, commenced to rock, and pet my dog. Well, again, I got to thinking, what's the meaning of this cold hard life? Be good to your dog, buddy, but more important, be good to your wife. So now that I have told you how I feel about the feeling alive, be good to your dog, but more important, be good to your wife. Pet my dog. I don't have a dog. I got cats, and it just doesn't work that well in the song. So I'll have to write a song about my cats, but what do you say about a cat? They don't even care about me.